Hi friends, welcome back to our channel N-TechSpot. In this video, we will see how to create account on Tumblr. In today's video, we will see how to create account on Tumblr. Basically, Tumblr is a social bookmarking website and the blogging website where you can promote your website content, blogs content in SEO field. If you are an SEO person, you might have heard about this Tumblr website. If you are not, don't worry. In this video, basically we are going to talk about how to create account on Tumblr. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do here, just go to the Google, type the tumblr.com and the website will appear. In this video, I have used the incognito window, but you can use normal window, that's perfectly fine. So now what you have to do, you have to go to the sign up option. So here you will get 4 options, that is continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with email, and the 4th option is coming from Twitter sign up option. If you use continue with Google, then what you have to do, you only have to use the N-TechSpot email ID. Means whatever email ID you have to use. As right now I am creating the account for N-TechSpot, so that's why I use the N-TechSpot email ID. By the way, I haven't signed up with it. You can either use continue with Apple, continue with email, or continue with Twitter. If you go for the continue with Twitter, then you have to use Twitter ID here, whatever Twitter handle ID you have. However, if you are an SEO person and you are going to promote any client's website or your website, then it is highly recommendable to use the email ID option. Just go with sign up with email. So here I am using the continue with email option. So continue with email, click the email ID, just copy paste it over here. Now set the password of your choice. Make sure that you are using the strong password. Now what you have to do, you have to select the birth date. You can choose any one of the, means you can choose like a pseudo birth date, that's imaginary birthday, that's not a matter. So here I am choosing July 27, 1991. Now just click on the next button. Now this is the important step. Here what you have to do, you have to choose the blog name. Okay. So right now what I am doing over here, I am promoting the N-TechSpot content here. So that's why I am using the N-TechSpot name as a blog name. But suppose if you want to promote the content of your blogs, like you have a own blog website and you have to create the content of that blog website on the Tumblr. So either you can use the pseudo name or you can use the brand name, that is the own name of your website. So right now I am using here the N-TechSpot. It totally depends on you and the client requirements. If the client has requirements of using the pseudonym, then you have to create the account of like whatever the client is suggesting, or either you can go with the just your website name. It simply depends on the requirements. So here the Tumblr is asking you, what are you here for? So pick as many reasons as you want. So you can pick as many reasons as you want. So basically I have chosen the 4 of them. The first is explore my interests, second one was create and share my work, connect with others like me, about to find out. So basically I am choosing 4 of them. If you want to choose 1 or 2, you can go for it and just click on the sign up option. Now the next thing is, what are you into? Follow tags and topics you want to see. If your website is related to, if your website comes under the technical niche, so obviously you have to create the topics related to that. Now if I am promoting the N-TechSpot content, so my main targeted audience will be like graphic designing, people interested in graphic designing or the WordPress or the blogging, etc. So I will find the topics that are more similar to my niche, right? So here also you have to choose a similar niche topics. So just let's find out one by one. Here there are so many topics that you can choose. If you want, you can follow all of them, but don't follow all of them, just choose the relevant one. Because obviously you do not want to like garbage on your feed. So in this I'm trying to find out the most familiar topics that I can follow. Okay, the entrepreneur is the good one, so that's why I selected it. Marketing, and like I can go for the branding as well, because these are topics are similar to my niche, so that's why I'm selecting it. You can go for any one of them as per your website or the services you are offering. Now artificial intelligence I have chosen, the programming I have chosen. Another one is graphic design, Adobe. I guess in design I can choose as many as I want, but it is better to choose the minimal. If I want in the future, I will choose more. You can always follow more if you want. Yeah, ETCY means do it yourself is also my favorite, so I'm just making some random choices. This here, if you can see, the most topics I have selected are similar to my niche, like the related to N-TechSpot. See, there are so many topics over here. Like in food, there are healthy, like clean eating, organ, funny, and every topic has so many followers that I will talk about it later. Yeah, I'm selecting some random topics as well, like nutrition, yoga, running, workout, healthy eating. Now you are good to go. You can click on the next option. But before that, I wanted to say that this, if you have any website, you can have any website. You will find every niche in this Tumblr. So basically, you are good to promote your website content on this Tumblr website. And if you see, like as I said, that if you see the topics followers, like there are so many, like for the post you can see there are 23 million followers. For the positivity itself, there are 4 million followers. So like if your website is related to any one of these niches, so obviously you are targeting a huge audience over here, and your website will definitely get a good traffic. The photography has 37 million followers. I guess I have given you the enough information on this, so now just move forward. Just click on the next option. Now what you have to do, you have to find people like, oh, you like some cool stuff. Now start filling your dash with people who are into the same stuff. See, like you have to select the same, I can say like similar people related to your niche. Like I am selecting 3 to 4 more. Like you have to follow at max 3, or you can, but you are good to go. Means you can follow as many people as you want. Here you have to follow minimum 3 people, and maximum you can follow as many as you want. So I am following, I guess, 3 to 4 people. I am following both 3 I have followed like 5 to 6 people. Yeah. Okay, 6 is done. I guess now these are enough. I don't want to follow anyone. Now just simply click on the next option. Congratulations, you have created your account on Tumblr. The only one thing is left here. Now what you have to do, you have to verify your email address. So the verification mail will be sent on your inbox, whatever email ID you have used. So just go to your website, just click on this is me and you will be verified. Now click on this is me option. Just confirm your humanity. Just click on the I am not a robot. Obviously you are not a robot. Now verify email. Congratulations, now you are a real user. Okay, so you have created your account. Now you can explore the Tumblr as much as you want. Go to dashboard, explore trending, read sub Tumblr blogs. Whatever things you want, you can do it over here. So now I have done with the creating account on Tumblr. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about the settings option of the Tumblr and the edit appearance option. But I guess the two of these options will not be covered in one video. So in the second video, I will talk about the how to use settings of Tumblr, and in the third video, I will tell you about the edit appearance of the Tumblr, because these are the huge topics. So, and in the fourth video, we will see how to use the Tumblr basically. So with this, hope you like this video. If you like it, if you really like it, please do like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.